Two more Maine businesses are being investigated for fraud, this time by the federal government. The U.S. Attorney's Office is investigating claims of tax fraud, not Mainecare fraud. However, the money and the services we are talking about stem originally from Mainecare. So there are three Lewiston-based organizations involved in this case: Reliable Language Resources, Momo Interpreters, and Bright Future Healthier You. U.S. attorneys accuse Bright Future of paying Reliable Language for interpreting services with Mainecare money. Momo Interpreters is a subcontractor of Reliable Language. Three people are at the center of this case, each working for a different company. Afta Abdi operates Momo Interpreters, Rayaka Mohammed owns Reliable Language, and Asmo Dole is Mohammed's mother and worked for Bright Future. Dole has since died. The charges have been dropped against her. The owners of Reliable Language and Momo Interpreters, though, are being accused of falsifying tax records to the IRS and charging for services that did not happen. Republican state lawmakers say this case is indicative of more fraud not yet uncovered.
They didn't even provide the services that they said they were going to provide. How much is this happening? This must be happening more. If we have one week and one the next, it's going to keep happening, and it really needs to be uncovered.
Legislative Democrats were not available for an interview, but leadership did give us a response. They say the legislature will continue to closely monitor the outcomes of these proceedings and consider what steps may be needed to strengthen accountability. As we have said previously, it is imperative that investigations are grounded in evidence, clear standards, and due process, not politics or innuendo. There is no trial date scheduled for this case. However, at the arraignment, all three defendants pleaded not guilty. No charges have been filed against Bright Future. The company has no comment, according to their lawyer. Rayaka Mohammed's attorney also said they had no comment, and Abdi's attorney did not answer multiple phone calls and messages about this case.